Dremel offers their DigiLab 3D45 3D printer, which is the most reliable and easiest to use 3D printer for advanced users in higher education and corporations. This printer allows for expanded filament types like nylon and ABS, allowing users to print functional prints, and it comes with a filament detection via RFID that enables the printer to automatically recognize and change settings for optimized printing. Other features include a heated bed, an integrated camera, and a web-based slicing and printing program that allows users to print via Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. This 3D printer offers a maximum build depth of 10 inches, a maximum build height of 6 inches, a maximum build width of 6.7 inches, and a minimum layer thickness of 100 microns.